we have to find the area of the region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are -1, 0, 1, 3 and 3, 2. Let's plot these points on the graph paper and then we will be getting the required triangle. Here I have already drawn a rough sketch for the given points. Now -1, 0 with A, B with 1, 3 and C with 3, 2. Okay. So now the vertices of triangle ABC are A -1, 0, B 1, 3 and C 3, 2. Now for finding the area using integration, first of all we want y dx for every equation. Okay, so let's find the equation for AB, BC and AC. Okay, now equation of AB. Now equation of AB is y minus, we are taking 2 point coordinates A and B, y minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 1 plus 1 with x plus 1. So this is equal to now equation of AB, y is equal to 3 upon 2 x plus 1. Number 2, equation of BC. Now we are taking B and C. Equation of BC, we are having now y minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 3 minus 1 with x minus 1. Okay. Now equation of BC on solving, what we are getting, equation of BC is equal to, equation of BC is y is equal to 1 upon 2 minus x plus 7. Then third one is equation of AC, y minus 0. Now we are having coordinates -1, 0 and 3, 2. So y minus 0, then 2 minus 0 upon 3 plus 1 with x plus 1. Now equation of AC is y is equal to 1 upon 2 x plus 1. So we are getting 3 equations. One is 1, then 2 and then 3. Now required area triangle ABC, this we have to find it. Now required area is area of, now first is area of A, B and E. Is it clear? So area of ABE plus area, now plus area of EBCD, EBCD, area of E, B, C and D. It means we have got the area from point A, B, C and D up to x axis. Is it clear? Minus area of A, C and D, area of A, C and D. Is it clear? So now what we are having, just look at once again, we are having, now I am telling you here, now just look here, we have got a triangle like this. Is it clear? So what we have done it, first of all, okay, let it be like this only. So these are the things. From here to here to here, it means we have finded area of all these things. Then from this point, this point, this point and this point, or it is A, B, E, then this is C and D. Now for second part is this one. Now this one, area of ABE plus area of EBCD is this whole triangle. Now we have to find area of triangle ABC. So what we are doing? Minus area of ACD. So what we are doing? We are just subtracting this part. We are subtracting this part. Now what is left? Area of triangle ABC is left. Is it clear? So that's why we have used it like this one. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to, now area of triangle ABE we will be writing from minus 1 to 1 y of dx, or you can write it y dx of equation AB, one thing, plus 1 to 3 y dx of equation BC, one thing, minus 1 to 3 y dx of equation AC. Is it clear? Now you have to write this step, otherwise 1 mark will be deducted. Okay. So now area of triangle ABC is equal to equation of AB, that is the first part. So we will be writing 3 by 2 integration of minus 1 to 1 with x plus 1 dx, first thing. Okay. Plus second is 1 to 3 y dx of equation BC, this is BC, so 1 upon 2, it is minus x plus 7 dx. Now this is the positive parts, these two, minus, now minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 to 3 x plus 1 dx. Is it clear? So now let's solve it. Now required area is 3 by 2 x plus 1, it is x square upon 2 plus 1 with minus 1 to 1 with minus 1 to 1. Okay. So now this is equal to 3 by 2 1 by 2, sorry, here it is x, 1 by 2 plus x 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Is it clear? So I am doing separately. Now this becomes what? 3 by 2 in the bracket 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 3. Let this be one part. this be the second and this be the third. So we have done first part. Now second is equal to, it is 1 upon 2 with minus x square upon 2 plus 7x from 1 to 3, okay. So now this becomes minus 9 upon 2 plus 21 minus 1 upon 2 plus 7. Now this is equal to minus 9 plus 42 upon 2 minus 1 plus 14 upon 2. This is equal to 33 upon 2 minus 13 upon 2. One upon 2 into 10. This is equal to 5. Third one now. Third one is again 1 upon 2 x square upon 2 plus x minus 1 2 3. Nine upon 2 plus 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Now this is equal to 1 upon 2 with 15 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 1 upon 2 with 8. This is equal to 4. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 3 upon 2 integration of minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx plus 1 upon 2 integration of 1 to 3 minus x plus 7 dx minus 1 upon 2 integration of minus 1 to 3 x plus 1 dx. This is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 4 square units. So this is the answer.